guys, it's the brown skin Barbie, and today's video is going to be a super quick and super easy video on how to clean your FLUFF MOMMA Mongolian Uggs. Now if you have these, you know they're super easy to get dirty. Obviously they're white in their fur, so they collect dust like crazy. Oh my gosh, they collect so much dust like crazy. And the crazy thing about this is after I cleaned them, I actually wore them the same night. Well, I live in New York, if you guys don't know, and I actually wore them to the tree lighting in the city, and oh my god, they got so dirty after that. But when I first bought them, I wore them probably 3 times and they didn't even get dirty. I was always thinking okay, once I wear them the first time, they're gonna be super dirty, but they actually don't get as dirty. It depends on what you're doing. Actually, I've had these, I think I got them last year, or maybe it was 2017, like the end of 2017, like December. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got these like December of 2017. So I've had these over a little bit over a year now, and throughout the time I was always wondering if these get super dirty, how am I gonna wash them? They're white. And when I first seen them on the UGG website, I always wanted them. I wanted them so bad, but I actually did not want the white pair. I actually only wanted the black pair, but the black pair sold out in my size, and I thought they would never have my size again, they was gonna be sold out. So I just decided to get the white pair, and then as soon as I bought the white pair, they got the black pair in my size, so I just got the black ones too. If you want to learn how to clean your FLUFF MOMMA Mongolian Uggs, keep watching. Guys, so like I already said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your Uggs from looking like this to this, and it's super easy, so easy, and you only need 2 things: bleach and any kind of laundry detergent that you want. Now all you have to do is simply wash your shoes like you would wash your regular clothes. I actually went to my local laundromat because I don't like the idea of washing heavy items like blankets and shoes in the washer and dryer that I have at home. Okay, so once your load is finished, make sure to air dry your Uggs. Do not put them in the dryer. Please don't put them in the dryer. It's going to take probably around 24 hours for your Uggs to get completely dry, but after they're dry, you're going to totally see the difference. While they're wet, they still might look kind of not as white, but once they completely dry, they're going to look so white, so fluffy, and mine actually looks way more white than when I first got them. At least that's how I felt. Maybe it's because I haven't seen them that white in a while. Yeah. Hopefully I was able to help somebody. Hopefully somebody found it useful, even though it was super easy and super quick. If you're still watching, be sure to check out my website. I sell hair extensions, I sell frontal wigs, full lace wigs, mink eyelashes, and so many other different things. The link will be down in the description bar down below. Feel free to check it out and support it. Another thing I'd like to mention is that if you have both the white and black ones like I do, you can also use the same method to clean the black ones. Just don't put bleach inside the washing machine when you're washing it.